Hi everyone, today I will tell you about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. We will figure out whether it's worth our paying for the Pro version and whether this flagship will be keyed on Android. Out the box we are greeted with a USB-C wire on both sides and the adapter from tip A to tip C. Now it's rare who puts such little thing, but nice someone can help. In design I think it is one of the best and unique smartphone, the choice of three colors lemon, black and white, and for the Pro version instead of lemon, walnut, everything is strict. While Apple and Samsung are changing generations with the same unique colors, Pixel gives its yellow or hazelnut and I like it. Glossy glass body material made frame and the Pro version is glossy. On the front we have a square design, the frame is not thinnest on the market but compared to its generation are thinner. Display Full HD Plus resolution, AMOLED, 6.3 inches, 9 or 60 Hz, with Gorilla Glass Victories, brightness 1400 nits, not advanced but optimal. There are problems with the bus, the 7 Pro dynamic chip, Quad HD resolution at 120 Hz and 1500 nits, rapid, this in my favorite screen, waterfall. Processor oven development Tensor G2 with memory LPDDR5. In the games are lags, but in everyday life it grabs confidently works. Without lags stably, the optimization of a cool USB 3.2 Gen 2 stereo sound, eSIM and eSIM flagship vibromotor, optical fingerprint scanner or face unlock. There is weather protection IP68, but the main trick is software with its bonuses like photo editor with artificial intelligence of the example voice, call rejection, the most accurate speech synthesis to text, but in terms of cameras the only difference is the wide-angle camera and the lack of the 5x TV. The main sensor for 50 megapixels, 12 megapixel wide-angle lens and 8 or 10 frontal. In general the quality is excellent, in some places better than other flagships, but definitely not beyond the competitions. Battery 430 50 mAh of the Pro version 5000 mAh, enough for a day of use. The complete charger to 100% charge the smartphone a little less than 1.5 hours. The price for the standard version of the most pleasant for 256 GB with ask from $700, Pro version for $256, $900, support from 3 years and 5 years of security. In the end we get a great flagship smartphone with a good price tag and it's cheap. Write in comments that would buy you for this money.